Hello guys, I'm going to show you how to make the American flag out of banners in Minecraft. First, you have to get a banner. Then get a red banner. And get like 2 dice. And first get First get the white die, and then get the blue die, and then go back and then work on it and do this. Then get the stripes. And you can make a banner with stripes. And when you put this and this in, do this or this or this and this. I'm gonna go with this. And there you go. You have the American flag. Anyways, bye.